How to change your YouTube account password. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to change your YouTube account password. So as you may most of you know that your YouTube account is currently or automatically linked with most of the Gmail account or email account. So just head over to your Gmail account, which is the same for your case, my case as well. So once you're inside here, just click on this your profile icon over here and simply select this manage your Google account option over here. So you can directly change the password in YouTube. So you just or you must have to come over to your Google account eventually. So once you're inside here, just select the security option over here. So once you select security option, you can see when you scroll all the way down, you can see there's an option called password. You can also see the information about when you last changed the password. So once you tap on this, it may or may not ask you to enter your previous password based on your previous settings. So once you're inside here, you can easily set up your new password and click on confirm new password and change the password just like this from over here. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.